that the woman God built with vision, with fire, with purpose must be quietly dismantled so that everyone else can be comfortable. Thousands of women die in childbirth, not from lack of love for their families, from being last. And the world calls this devotion. Who is counting what she gave? Who is measuring what she poured out? Who is tracking the investment she made with her own body, her own health, her own dreams, so that everyone around her could live fully? Nobody. Because society does not count a woman's sacrifice as investment, it counts it as expectation. And here is what that belief has done to you. It has convinced you that shrinking yourself is love, that neglecting your health is sacrifice, that abandoning your dream is responsibility, that the woman God built with vision, with fire, with purpose must be quietly dismantled so that everyone else can be comfortable. You have been doing it so long, so faithfully. You have mistaken your own disappearance for devotion. But a woman who pours from an empty vessel does not save her family. She just dies slower. And God never asked for that.